Hello dear fellow engineers. This is Srinivasan, who is having a 30 years experiences in this construction industry, trying to present you a small presentation on stairs. You may be laughing at me. Come on, yeah, what a crazy guy who is giving a presentation on a stairs. Yes. How many of us knows about the type of the staircases, where it has been used, the purpose of the staircases, and what are the components involved in the staircases? If I am right, 85% of the engineers might not be aware of what is the details which I asked for. In this presentation, I am going to explain what are the components of the staircases and the various type of the staircases used in the residential and other various sectors. Topics. Definitions. See, proportioning of the stairs, elevation and section, requirement of a good stair, you can see its type of a stair, handrail, numerical, baluster. The definition of the stairs is as follows: string, nosing. Stair and staircase. In other sides, you can see a wall string. This is known as a step. Flight. This is the blocking, that is on the corner at the bottom. The vertical member, which is known as a riser. Step. Horizontal member known as a landing. This is the balusters and balustrade. This is the bottom rail, which is known as a carriage. Newel and newel post, string, which we call it as soffit. Over the post is flyers, handrail, and winders. This vertical member is a baluster, pitch, landing navel. The definition has been as follows: stair and staircase, or a stairwell or a stairway, is known as a building component which provides access from floor to floor is called the stair. The space occupied by stair in a building is called as a staircase, or a stairwell, or a stairway. Flight. A series of steps without an interventing platform is called as a flight. Treads and risers. The horizontal and vertical top surfaces of subcomponent, that is the steps of a stair, are called tread and rise respectively. Going on run. The horizontal distance between two adjacent risers is called going or a run. Step. The combination of treads and riser is called as a step. Landing. The horizontal platform provided between two flights is called as a landing. Definitions continued. Baluster and balustrade. The vertical members provided between steps and the handrail are called as a balusters, and the framework on the handrail and baluster is called balustrade. Handrail. Handrail is an inclined member at a convenient height, that is 2.9 feet to 3 feet, providing a safeguard to the user. Navel or a navel post. The thicker baluster provided at start, turning and end of the stair is called navel or a navel post. Soffit. The under surface of the stair is called as a soffit. Flyers and winders. The steps of uniform width are called flyers, and the steps of non-uniform width are called winders. Pitch or a slope. The inclination of the line of a nosing with respect to floor or landing is called as a pitch. Waist slab. The concrete slab provided to support steps is called as a waist slab. The rise and run of a stair are determined by arbitrary rules given as follows. Sum of a rise and run should not be less than 17 in or more than 18 in. Twice the riser plus run should not be less than 24 or more than 25 inches. The product of a rise and run should not be less than 70 or 75 inches. The product of rise and square root of a run should be equal to 23.5. Requirement of a good stair. A good stair should fulfill the following requirements. It should be well proportionate and designed. It should be centrally located in residential building, and a number of stairs should be provided at corners of a commercial or a educational building. Flyer should be used. Pitch of the stair should range between 25 degrees to 40 degrees. Minimum width of the stair is 3 feet 6 inches, that is 1 meter, so that you can take up your luggages and everything up and down. Number of shed should be 3 to 12 in one flight. Handrail should be at a convenient height, that is 7.75 meter to 0.85 meter. Good material and workmanship should be used for construction. It should be ventilated and nicely located. Components of the stair. See, these are the components of the stairs. This is known as the handrail, this is navel, this is the baluster, string capping, close strings, nosing. This is known as the wall string, this is the steps, this is the blockings, this is the riser, this is the tread, this is the bracket, the corner, this is the carriage, this is the cut string. This is known as a baluster, this is a handrail, navel cap, navel, tread, nosing riser, and a stringer. This is known as a staircase technology. You can see the treads, how the risers, and how this is known as the going on. This is called as a nosing. This is tread over the post handrail. This is a baluster. You see the pitch line. This is a landing now. Rise and run. Landing. This is known as the rise height. Navel known as a tread depth. Types of stairs. Stairs can be classified as follows. With respect to layout, with respect to materials, with respect to layout is as follows. Straight flight, quarter run, half run, geometrical, circular, bifurcating, spiral. Types of stairs. Straight flight. The types of stairs run from one floor to other in one direction, used for narrow staircases. You can see the images of the type straight flight. Quarter run. It runs through 90 degree and used where width of the staircase is more but length is limited. This is what we call as a quarter turn staircases with the winders. Half turn. It turns through 180 degrees centigrade. 180 degree. It can be of three types: dogleg stairs, open well with a half space landing, open well with 2/4 space landing. This is the image of a dog-legged staircases, off-turn staircase. Geometrical. The stair in which curved shapes well is provided, used for single or a double-storied building. This is known as a geometrical stairs. Circular. The stair is constructed in a circular shaped staircase, used where limited space is available. This is the image of the circular staircases. Bifurcating stairs. Bottom flight is divided into two relatively narrow flights, used for assembly halls, railways, footover bridges, etc. This is the image of the bifurcating staircase. Spiral. Stair with a central post or to support winder shaped steps provided at the post. This picture will explain you how the staircases, spiral staircases are constructed. Spiral staircase details. It consists of guardrail post, handrail post. This is the floor level. This is the holes for handrail post, safety thread. Detail of the steps has been shown. This is a handrail, how it has been circulating, and spiders. This is a spiral stairs. Bifurcating stairs. This is the image of the bifurcating stairs, wherein one landing comes down and is split into two components. It can be generally used in movie halls, commercial complexes, airports, etc. Spiral stair. This is the image of a spiral stair. It can be used for external emerge exist and where the space has been very less. This is a quarter turn winders, how it has been look around. This is quarter turn winders with a landing. This is known as a dog-legged staircases. This is known as a dog-legged staircases with an open well. This is known as a geometrical staircases. This is a circular staircases. Type of stairs with respect to materials: wooden stairs, stone stairs, metal stairs, RCC stairs, black stairs. Wooden stairs. It consists of stringers, tread and riser planks, that is known as the flyers and winders, handrail, landing. Tongue and groove joints are provided between the tread and riser. Minimum size of the stringer is 25 cm by 2.8 cm, that is 10 inches into 1 into 1/4 inches. Plank thickness for tread should be 3.2 cm, that is 1 into 1/4 inches. Riser 1.6 cm, that is 5/8 of the inch. Projected nosing should not be greater than the thickness thread. Use straight flight, quarter turn, half turn, or as a geometrical stairs. Type of stringers in wooden stairs: closed stringers. Straight edge planks covers the tread and risers. Open stringers. Stringers surfaces matches the tread rise formation. Weathered stringers used in geometrical stairs. Wooden stairs. You can see the images. Here is a false rise. This is a stringer. This is the usual type. Stair garages is like this. Closed string carriages. Here you have a wedges and everything. Open string staircases. You will not have any wedges. Open rises straight. Here it will be a flat concreting. On top of it only the treads will be rested. Wooden stairs. This is the image of the wooden stair. It have a closed stringers. You can see the images. This is known as open stringers, where you can see the open stringers has been provided. This is a weathered stringers staircase. Stone stairs. It consists of a dressed stones, blocks, or slabs. Types. There are three types: rectangular or square types. Rectangular or square blocks or stones. Built up steps. 5 cm thick stone slabs are provided. Dowels are provided for a strength. Spandrel steps. Stone blocks of a triangular shapes are provided and used for a regular flight. Metal stairs. In factories, railway station, powerhouses, etc. Pods. It consists of stringers, treads and risers, non-slippery metal plates. Types. Tread surfaces defines the type. Checkered plate tread risers. Non-slippery plate provided as a tread. Stone slab tread stairs. Stone slabs is provided as a tread. Concreting slab tread stairs. Concreting steps with a metal nosings are provided. Spiral stairs. It is provided as a central pipe nibbles and steps all around. Used where wear and tear is more. Fireproof construction is required for these spirals. Checkered plates. This is the image of a checkered plate, which is known as a non-slippery plates also. Concrete stairs. This is the image of the concreting stairs, that is the one without a nosing, one without concreting nosing, stair with a concreting nosing. This is called as a safety tread. Then sloping risers. There is a varieties of concreting stairs you can construct. RCC slab and beam type stairs. RCC cantilever type stairs. Main bars 12 mm 6 cm. This will be 5 cm and 27 cm. RCC slab staircases, which consist of all these combinations. RCC slab and beam type stairs. This is the RCC slab, this is the RCC beam. From here the staircases has been taken. Brick stairs. Stairs made of brick masonry are called as a brick stairs. 1.5 inch brick wide threads are provided. Used in ordinary buildings. The image of the ordinary buildings which has been locally constructed in the village type will be like this. A riser of 15 cm and a tread of 30 cm. Underneath you can have a cupboards, you can have an arched openings, etc., etc. This is staircases of different materials. This is a wooden stair, this is a stone stair, this is a metal stair. Types of joints in woodwork. Tongue and groove joints, tannin and mortise joints, draw tall joints. Principle to be observed while planning and designing a stair. Width of the stair, it should not be less than 1 meter. Length of the flight, the number of steps of a single flight should not be more than 12. Pitch of the stair, it should be between 25 to 40 degrees centigrade. Width of the landing, it should be 150 mm more than the width of the stair. Wideners or kite steps, odd shapes should be avoided and crease found necessary. This should be provided at the start of the stair. Handrails, it should be 750 to 850 mm in height from the top of respective step or a landing. Step proportion, the size of the rise and tread in a stair should be kept uniform throughout the whole stairs. Following preparation are recommended. Residential buildings, tread is 250 mm, riser is a 160 mm. Public buildings, tread is a 300 mm, rise is a 150 mm. Industrial buildings, treads not less than 250 mm, rises not less than 150 mm or 150 to 190 mm. Numerical. Stair proportioning. Given data. Story height is 2.6 meter height. Total going is 2.75 meter. Find number of flights, number of steps, width of the landing, size of a riser and treads. Type of a building is a residential. Here I give a solution how we calculate it. Residential building trial size of step is equal to 25 cm by 16 cm. Number of risers, total story height divided by riser, that is 2.62 divided by 0.16, say 16.25, it will be 17 riser. As number of risers more than 12, so number of flights will be 2. Steps in each flight will be 8. Riser value is equal to 2.62 divided by 16. is equal to 16.375 centimeter. Total width 25 centimeter. Number of going in each flight is equal to number of risers 1. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Total going of steps 0.25 into 7, it is equal to 1.75 meter. Width of the landing, total going minus total going for steps, that is 2.75 by minus 1.75 is equal to 1 meter. Check. As 55 centimeter lesser or equal to 2r plus g, or lesser or equal to 60 centimeter, that is 2 into 16.375 plus 27.25 is equal to 57.75 centimeter. So this calculations found okay. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, like and share, which will motivate me for a further good presentation. In case of any queries, do not hesitate to write to me. The response shall be at the earliest. Contact me at civilconclave@gmail.com or at my Telegram group, Ask Srini Telegram group. The link is provided as below. Thank you for watching this presentation. Kindly subscribe, which will motivate me to provide you furthermore good presentation. Thank you once again. Kindly subscribe.